Are you seeing clearly through the windows in your home? Are your window screens clogged with dirt and grime? The dust, the wind, and the rain all take their toll both inside and out and can be hard to keep everything spotless when life is busy enough already. A professional washing and cleaning service will get your windows and screens gleaming in no time. We'll even clean those hard-to-reach windows and the skylights on your roof. Our attention to detail will have you seeing clearly from every angle, and our customer service will put a smile on your face. You work hard for your home. Don't let dust and dirt spoil your view or your home's appearance. Let us take care of your windows while you get on with your life. Call us today for a free no obligation quote.